All right, so this is a 2-pack of solar spotlights, 50 LEDs, I believe on each light. We'll have to, same picture there, ambient light sensor, solar powered, IP67 waterproof. There's some of your specs on this side. They can be inserted in the ground or wall mounted, and working time is 18, 12, or 6 hours. 6 hours on the brightest mode, 12 on medium, and 18 on the lowest brightness mode. Picture there, and there's just kind of what comes inside. So let's open these on up. We love opening these. So your post to put in the ground, screws if you want a wall mount, and then the manual, and that's it for the box. So a little user's manual here telling you the 3 different modes, and here's the actual solar lights. So yeah, each one has, looks like 50 LEDs on it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, yeah. And this is adjustable, whether you mount it to the wall. You can take this screw out if you need to, and your power button is just right here. So one press puts you on the brightest mode, and then once it's dark, the light will automatically, I might put it on this way. Probably doesn't have any charge. So take this one out too, do the same. Make sure it's turned on. So now we need to really make sure these get about 12, at least 8 to 12 hours of sunlight. That will get the battery fully charged. I do have to say, I think I'm gonna mount mine on the back of my house this time. So we'll get these mounted with screws, and then we'll have some lights on the back of our house. So let's go mount these up and see what they look like. Alright, so I've used the screws to wall mount this light under this window, and then to offset it, this one in between these 2 windows. So we'll see later tonight how bright these are, the low, medium, and high settings. Alright, so this is the 2-pack of spotlights. You can see how much light that this is putting off. I'm in the wide view right now, so you can see both of them that I have up. If you go into the closer view, that's kind of the better visual of it, but this is both currently on the lowest setting. Now I'm going to take the one on the left and put it on medium, just one press, and now you can see the one on the left is on medium and the one on the right is still on the lowest setting. Now I'm going to take this one and put it on the highest setting. That's maximum brightness. So now you can see the one on the right's on the highest setting while the one on the left is on the medium setting. And then just for good measure, that is both of them on the highest brightness setting. So definitely very bright. As you see, I put these on my house to give this type of effect. You can of course use them on a landscape to give a landscape effect. So that's it for this 2-pack of landscape light. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.